Hello, everyone. My name is Shraddha, and today we are going to explore the topic of clauses. So, in NAPLAN, you will find questions which are titled What is the main clause? What is the subordinate clause? Identify the independent clause. So, today we're going to tackle and unravel the mystery which surrounds these questions. Basically, you just have to understand, and I'm going to use a very easy example which will stay with you, and I'm sure you will remember it. So let's look at this question. Which part of the sentence is the main clause? The sentence is, because the park is used by many families, you need to get there early if you want a picnic table under a shelter near the playground. So you see, it's a very long and winding question which is deliberately designed, and it is testing your knowledge. So only if you're equipped with the facts and the knowledge will you be able to identify the answer. So it's broken into four parts. Because the park is used by many families, you need to get there early if you want a picnic table, a shelter near the playground. So remember, the main clause also is known as an independent clause. That means something which is independent. Therein lies the clue. So if you know what is an independent clause, it won't take you any time to identify the answer. Now let's look at the answer. The main clause in the sentence is you need to get there early. So a main clause is a complete sentence that can stand alone and express a complete thought. In this sentence, it conveys the instruction or advice to the reader to get to the park early if they want a picnic table. So that means if I say you need to get there early, it is an independent thought and can stand on its own. Let's look at it a little bit more. And if we take an example of a pizza, imagine a pizza slice. So a pizza slice is an independent clause because it's complete and we don't need anything with it. So a group of words that can stand alone as a sentence and convey a full thought is an independent clause. Just like a pizza slice that you can eat on its own, an independent clause is a complete idea. On the other hand, the dependent clause is like the tasty topping. You can't have the topping without the pizza slice, right? You can have the pizza slice without the topping, but you can't have the topping without the slice, right? So, a dependent clause cannot stand on its own, it has no meaning unless it has the support of the independent clause. For example, if I say I'm full, though you might say that it's complete thought, but we can add some toppings to it and make it fuller. Although I'm full, I will eat another slice of pizza. So to make a complete pizza or a sentence, start with a main slice, an independent clause, add some tasty toppings, independent clauses to enhance the flavor and provide extra information. Combine them to create a satisfying sentence. To recap, an independent and dependent clauses are the two main types of clause in English. The difference is that an independent clause or main clause can work alone as a complete sentence, but a dependent clause or subordinate clause needs to join with an independent clause to form a complete sentence and convey some meaning. So, with a lot of practice, you can get this right. Let's see you next in the next class and work till you perfect this concept. Thank you.